Hello and welcome back. Today we're looking at how we can write a program using the for, while, and do loop structure. The best way to go about it is to use an example. So we open a new document and then we can write a comment up there concerning what the program is all about. That is programmed to put odd numbers or even numbers. Though this is not necessary. This is just a comment, will not be executed by the compiler. So we go straight ahead. Hash includes standard input output dot h. Then we get to the main function, create some space there. So let's begin with the for loop structure. Remember, for has three parts where we initialize, then we set the condition on the second part, and the last part, what we do is we either increment or we decrement. So we're going to increment. So the condition is x less than is equals to 10. And this is our increment. So what we're going to do is first we're going to test if it is able to output the value of x. Remember, it's an integer, therefore it's %d. There, compile and run. Let's give it a name. Just type the name only, don't include the file extension. Remember, you can see where we have save as type. It will be saved as a C or C++ file. There. Compile and run. There, it is giving us an output, so it's working. You can get a better arrangement of the output. Let's see what we're going to get. Yeah, that's what we can get. Backslashing takes the output to the next line. Now we can begin to filter using if, because we either want odd numbers or even numbers, starting from 1 to 10. So x modulus 2, while it's not equal to, you set the number that you want it not to be equal to, and then put the output just within the body of the if statement. Compile and run. Okay, it didn't work that way. Oh, sorry, we need to change this to 0. Let's try it again. There it is. Those are the odd numbers from 1 to 10. It is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So if we want the even numbers, is a matter of just changing that to equal sign. Then compile and run again. There it is. We can get rid of that 0 because we just need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. You can edit there. Yeah, we initialize to 1 instead of 0. Compile, run. There it is. So that one has worked. Now we've gotten an output of odd numbers and even numbers using the for loop structure. We can go to the next one, which would be the while loop structure, and see the kind of output we're going to get from that. So let's get rid of that statement. Yeah, there somewhere there, while x less than equal to 10. Open the curly brace. Sorry about that. And we can even get rid of the closing curly brace there. taken care of by the second last closing curly brace. Now we need a way to increment. Yeah, there. Okay. Execute, compile, and run. Oh, we're getting an error there. Yeah, we didn't declare. Variable identifier x needs to be declared. There. It's working now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are the even numbers from 1 to 10. Now the next thing we can do is get the odd numbers, change that. Yeah, that should do it. Yeah, there. It's working. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Those are the odd numbers from 1 to 10. Let's cut these now that we have done both even and odd numbers using the while statement. Now we can do it using the do while statement. We can cut that. Then do while, open curly brace, get rid of the second closing curly brace there, taken care over there, one at the bottom there, then paste there, do a little bit of edit there. Yeah, and remember this is a post-test condition. The condition will be tested at the end. We need to terminate it there with a semicolon. Let's execute it and see what we're going to get. There is working. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Yeah, that's better now. We can get the even numbers. Compile, run. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yeah, that's about it.